What's up, YouTube guys? Welcome for a new video, guys. Welcome, guys, for a new video, guys. I am so sorry what happened last time. It was a little stupid. Like, really, guys, it was so stupid. Alright, guys. I'm going for a Barbosa clone hunt. And yeah, guys, I actually bought my backpack yesterday. And here it is. Here is my backpack. Pokemon. The Pikachu. There's Charizard, Charmeleon, and oh my god, Charmander, and there's Eevee, and there's Squirtle, and where's Bulbasaur, and there's even a Pokeball, and there's Pikachu. And look, guys, my jacket looks like Pikachu. I'm trying to put on my. There you go. And look, guys. And I even got Squirtle and him. I'm gonna put them right here because that's where their spot is. Alright, guys, say hello. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna take out the mask because, alright, guys, we're going outside. Se me cayó mi esqueleto cuando cerré la puerta. Ay, se me quemó. Alright, guys, we're gonna come back. That's my skeleton that I put for Halloween. Halloween's coming. Hey, guys, Barbosa says she's actually outside of the building, and I don't know where she is. It's very creepy down here. I don't like being here somewhere. This looks so creepy. I think like somebody's really behind me. We're going for Barbosa. Alright, come on. Alright, guys, we just gotta find Barbosa. Barbosa? Yo, is that her? What the fuck? Yo, that is her. Oh my god, guys, that's her. Oh my god. Shut the door. Yo. She's right there. Oh shit. Yo, what the fuck? You guys saw that? Holy shit. Macamole. Oh my god, guys, that's her. Where is she? Oh my god. Oh my shit. Oh my god. She's a little bird. Like, there's actually this little bird, guys. It was following me. Alright, guys, I have to cut the video. Like, really, guys. Right here. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Alright, here's Barbosa, okay? You guys can see. Espérame, mommy. I know, guys. Jack is not here because he's dead already. Barbosa, you always want to go to the shade. That just sucks. Here, come on. Where are you, Barbosa? You're like... Okay, come on, bird. There you guys go. Wait, guys. You guys, somebody knocked on the door. Oh my god. Oh shit. I am creeped out myself. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. I am dead serious, guys. I saw this little bird like chasing me. So I really just paused the video because I didn't want to hurt you. You guys. This is dangerous times. Do not talk to Barbosa at 3 a.m. I did this it was so dark. Oh my god, guys, it's already 3 a.m. Oh shit. I'm cutting the video. Bye, guys. This is insane. You guys can get one of my plushies for free if you guys subscribe and like the video and follow me in my Instagram. Bye, guys. See you guys later. Bye.